A lot of things in Arabic are pretty consistent, a lot of grammars and rules. So that makes the language much easier to learn and to follow. So, for example, in a previous episode, I did talk about adjectives and how you do them as plural. You treat them all the same way. Like most of them, you're going to treat them the same way. You're just going to add the letters ya and noon to the end of the feeling. Actually, I'm sorry, not adjectives, but feelings. You're going to add ya and noon to the ending, and that makes it plural. So for example, taban, tabanin, tired for the singular, and tabanin, tired for plural. And this is consistent. And there is another thing. For example, if we were talking about the weather, there's something pretty consistent there and makes it much easier to speak, to learn, to understand. Example, if I said matar, this is a noun, this is rain. Mattar, I emphasize the middle. If you heard it, mattar, that basically means it rained, like the verb for rain. You're gonna do basically the same thing for most of a lot of words regarding weather. So, for example, shemes, sun, shammas. So to become sunny, like I'm making the verb, I'm just emphasizing the middle letter. If you know the Arabic letters and the movements, I'm putting the shadda above the middle letter, and that makes it a verb for weather vocabularies. So, for example, matar, mattar, shemes, sun, shammas, ghaim, cloud, ghayam, to become cloudy, bared, cold, barrad. So I'm emphasizing the middle to become cold, like it got cold. So if I said barad jaw, the weather became cold. Shob, hot, it has waw in the middle. So if I want to make it a verb, I would say shawab. So became sunny. This would help you sometimes if you don't know, like you want to say it became cold and you don't know the vocabulary. If you remember the rules and you already know the word bered, then you will just remember, just emphasize the middle, and now you made it a verb and you can put it in a sentence. So I hope this helps, and this was easy. I do have a workbook for verbs, present and past. If you want to practice, it has a lot of exercises, and in the end, it has a short story, and it actually has like answers in the back as well. So if you are not familiar with verbs, I put an example, and then I put all the answers in the back, so you can also read all this and then do the exercise by yourself, and that's going to be a great practice for you. A lot of things are on sale in my Etsy store. The name is Ara Lola, and all my links should be in the description. So follow me, and thank you so much. I hope this was helpful.